Alright, Daddy's gonna see if we can catch this on camera because she rolled over a second ago. It is yet to be a confirmed incident. Here it comes, I think. Because she rolled off when I wasn't looking before. You can do it, baby. You can do it. Now we're just gonna take a break. Almost. Too much pressure? Too much pressure? There you go. You gotta get that big head over that big counterweight. There you go. Oh yeah, look how smart you are grabbing onto the side. There you go. Pull. Throw yourself. Throw it. There she goes. Yay! Say, yay, Sophia! Yay, Sophia! Say, yay, Sophia! Yay! Good job. Good job. Yeah, give a victory shout. Yeah, good job. Are you going to keep going? Yeah? Good job. Got that figured out, kiddo. Daddy's proud of you.